Welcome to my channel. My channel is meant for abroad education for latest technologies, and now and then I produce some videos on job vacancies in India, especially in State Bank of India, Vikram Sarabhai Space Station, Trivandrum, and some job vacancies in Life Insurance Corporation of India. So whatever are very useful to students, I produce videos on such topics. Here in this video I would like to talk about top 9 destinations for abroad education in top countries. In our survey of over 30,000 international students, most of them told us that when deciding where to study abroad, they select a country first over a university or specific sort of program. And students say to us what they think about the foremost vital factors when choosing a study abroad destination. We use your feedback to make our list, ranking the most specific countries to study abroad in 2021. The main factors are to achieve good career goals, to develop personality, to experience a replacement culture or lifestyle, to access higher quality teaching, to have an adventure, to make new friends or widen professional network, and to learn a replacement language. The first and foremost country preferred by most of the students is Canada. Canada is known for its untouched natural beauty, friendly and welcoming locals, and a culture of tolerance and variety. Canada may be a clear choice for college kids looking to study abroad. Canadian universities are known for their technological innovation, especially within the fields of computer and knowledge technologies. And top Canadian universities as per QS World Rankings: University of Toronto, McGill University, University of British Columbia, University of Alberta, Université de Montréal, McMaster University, University of Waterloo. Best places to study in Canada. List of popular student cities: Toronto, Montreal, Vancouver, and Ottawa. The second most preferred country is Australia. Take a visit to Down Under and find out why Australia may be an excellent choice for an exceptional study abroad experience. 7 of the simplest places to study abroad in Australia are Melbourne, Sydney, Gold Coast, Perth, Brisbane, Cairns, and Canberra. The third most preferable country is Germany. Third within the world and first in Europe, Germany may be a popular choice for studying abroad. Here are the most superficial cities in Germany for international students. These are Munich, Berlin, Stuttgart, Frankfurt, Dresden, Aachen, Bonn, Hamburg, Cologne, and Leipzig. And the fourth most preferable country is Switzerland. The standard of living is high, then the quality of education. Top student cities and universities to study in Switzerland: Zurich, Lausanne, Geneva, Bern, and Basel. And the fifth most probable country is USA. For many students looking to travel abroad, the USA provides endless opportunities to seek your perfect study abroad experience. And what are the best cities in USA? Massachusetts, New York, California, Florida, Illinois, Georgia, Washington DC, Oregon, and Colorado. The sixth most probable country is Sweden. The Scandinavian country known for its flat pack furniture, meatballs, and ABBA has such a lot more to supply. Here are the highest study locations in Sweden: Stockholm, Lund, Gothenburg, Umeå, Uppsala, Linköping, and Galway. Seventh most probable country is Netherlands, and it is for cozy cafes, expensive tulip fields, and canal sidewalks. Pick your interest. Best cities to study in Netherlands: Amsterdam, Leiden, Rotterdam, The Hague, Groningen, Delft, Tilburg, Eindhoven, Maastricht, Dordrecht, Utrecht. And the eighth most probable country is United Kingdom. From the bustling urban environment of London to the medieval streets of Edinburgh, study abroad students are bound to fall crazy in the UK. And QS World Ranking, University Rankings: London, Edinburgh, Manchester, Glasgow, Coventry, Nottingham, Birmingham, Aberdeen, Newcastle upon Tyne, and Britain. And the ninth most preferable country is Spain. A popular choice among students, Spain is the favorite for those looking to experience a replacement culture or lifestyle. And the places in Spain, these are Seville, Barcelona, Madrid, Granada, Valencia, Salamanca, San Sebastian, Alicante, and Cadiz. And the 10th most probable country is France. At our list, maybe a country where its cuisine, culture, and wine can all be described in one word: rich. That is France. And there are different reasons to study in France. Okay, depending on your choice, you can choose basing on the world rankings of universities, world ranking of courses, and courses which are in demand. From the courses, so what are employable, so you decide yourselves and select on your own. And wish you all the best. Wish you better or best education in the world countries. Wish you all success. May God bless you. Thank you.